Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss about sixth topic, multiplication of large numbers. Open your textbook, page number 97. Multiplication of large numbers. Of large numbers is the same as multiplication of smaller numbers. How it was? It was same as the multiplication of a smaller numbers. Multiply here one. See one example, 7624 by 2346. Here we have to multiply these two numbers. One, see here, first number is there, no, that number first of all write here, 7624 into 2346. Here some steps are there. We have to follow these steps. Step 1. First multiply by 6 once and start to write the product from ones. Here at first of all we have to multiply the number by 6. Here which number is there in the ones place? 6 is there, no? First of all we have to multiply this 6. Okay, total this number we have to multiply by 6. Ee 6 toni paina number total manam multiply cheyali. See here nana 6 4s are how much? 6 4s are 24. So here we have to cancel this 4 and write here. Okay nana, 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14. Write here 4 and here 1. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37. 6 7s are how much? 6 7s are 6 7s are 42. Here 37. Already 7 we wrote here. Again 3 is there, no? 42, 43, 44, 45. That 45 here we have to write. What is the next step? Next multiply by 4 tens and start to write the product from tens column. Here once see nana మనకు అందరికి మల్టిప్లికేషన్ తెలుసు కదా. ఇక్కడ మనము we already finished here. One column is finished. After completing the ones column we have to start from the tens. What is the tens number here? 4 is there. Now in the down of the tens column we have to keep 0 or otherwise keep the multiplication symbol. So here multiplication symbol is there, no? Yes, keep this multiplication symbol or keep 0. Okay, find the products. Here sums are there, na? 12 sums are there. In that I will tell 2 sums. Find the products. What is the first one here? 3425 into 84. 3425 into 84. Here we have to multiply these two numbers. Now see here the solution. 3425 into 84. Now coming to the solution. 3425 into 84. Here we have to multiply first of all. Which number we have to multiply here? Yes, very good. First of all we have to multiply with the number of 4. Okay, now see here 4 5s are how much? 4 5s are 20. Now write here 20 nana. First of all write here 20 and the right side of the which number is there, that number, cancel that number and write here in the product. Okay, next 4 2s are, what is the 4 2s are? 8. 8 plus 2 8 9 10. So cancel this 0 and write here 0. 4 4s are how much? 4 4s are 16. 16 plus here 1 is there, no? 16 plus 1 is equals to how much? 17. Next 4 3s are, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 how much? 13. Write the number here. Okay, after completing the ones column product, here first ones column is there, no? At the down here keep the multiplication symbol into. Okay nana. Now coming here 8. Tens place is there, no? ఇప్పుడు tens place లో multiply చేయాలి. 8 5s are how much? 8 5s are 40. Next 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 how much? 20. Next 8 4s are how much? 32. 32 plus 2 how much nana? 34. Now cancel that one and write here 4. Next 8 3s are, 8 3s are how much? 24. 24 plus 3 25 26 27. Here write the number 27. Total here we have to add this total two products. Here we got the two products. Is there no that two products we have to add now? See here, is there any number in between here? Not there. So keep here the number 0. And 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 7, 7. 3 plus 4, how much, Nana? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, 7 plus 1, 8. Here only 2 is there. Now write that 2 here. Hence, now what is the product? Hence, 3425 into 84 equals to how much, Nana? 2,87,700. 2,87,700. Got it, Nana? Coming to the second sum. 36,754 into 65. 36,754 into 65. Now coming to the solution. 36,754 into 65. Now first of all here we have to multiply which number? Yes, very good. 5. 5 fours are how much? 5 fours are 20. Next 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 2, 25. 26, 27. Next 5 sevens are how much, Nana? 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 2, 35, 36, 37. Again here the number 7 only. Next 5 sixes. 5 sixes how much? 30. Very good. 30. 30 plus 3 how much, Nana? 33. Next 5 threes are. 5 threes are how much? 15. 15 plus 3. 15, 16, 17, 18. Write here the number 18. Now here keep the multiplication symbol. And now coming to the tens place value. What is the tens place here, Nana? 6 is there. Now here we have to find out the product of 6. 6 fours are how much? 24. Next 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Next 6 sevens are how much? 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 3, 42, 43, 44, 45. Next 6 6 are how much? 36. 36 plus 4 how much, Nana? 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Right here the number 0. Next 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4, 19, 20, 21, 22. Write the number here 22. Now here we get the two products. Now we have to we have to add these two numbers. 0. 7 plus 4 how much? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here 8. 2 plus 1, 3 and here 2. Total what is this value? Yes, 3,89,010. Total what is this value, Nana? 23,89,010 is the product of the two numbers. What are the two numbers? 36,754 into 65. Multiplication by 5, 25, 125. Here we have to multiply the number by 5, 25, 125 using a shortcut. Here we have to use the shortcut and write the product. Okay. Now see first here. To multiply a number by 5, multiply the number by 10 and divide it by 2. First of all, we have to multiply the number by which number? By 10. Again, we have to divide it by 2. Again, we have to divide it by 2. Now see here multiplication here 94 into 5. 94 into 5. Now see here, Nana, 94 into 5. 4 into 5. Here what is the statement? To multiply number by 5, multiply the number by 10. First of all, we have to multiply the number by 10 and again divide it by 2. Now see here, Nana, 94 into 10. First of all, we have to multiply the number by 10, no? And again we have to divide that number, which number? 2, by number 2. Now see here 94 into 10. 94 into 10. First of all, here we have to count how many zeros are there. Here how many zeros are there, Nana? Only one zero is there. So here what is the number here? 94. Only one zero is there. No, that zero here we have to keep the right side of the number. And again this solution finish. Now divided by 2. Divided by 2. Here now we have to do the division. See here 2, 940. 940. Now see here Nana, 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 how much? 9 minus 8? 1. And here the number down 7. Sorry 4. 2 7s are 14. And here the number is 0. No, that 0 we have to write here. Why? Because nothing is there to divide. No, that's why here this 0 we have to write in the quotient place. Total here what is the quotient, Nana? 470 is the quotient. Here that answer we have to write 470. 470. So here multiplication the number 94 into 5. What is the answer here? 470. First of all we have to multiply the number by 10. Here first we have to multiply the number by 10. After completing the multiplication we have to divide that number by 2. Here see Nana, if I multiply here for 94 into 10 means what I get here is 940 we get. After that we have to divide by 2. No? Yes, division here. See the division here. What is the quotient, Nana? 470. That is the answer. Hence 94 into 5 equals to 470. Got it? ఇప్పుడు ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ 5తో మనల్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలనుకో ఇన్ షార్ట్ ఫామ్లో మనల్ని షార్ట్ కట్ ఫామ్ ఇస్ దేర్. దట్ ఫామ్లో మనల్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయమంటే ఇక్కడ మనం తీసుకున్న నెంబర్ని ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ 10తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. గాట్ ఇట్ నాన్న? ఫస్ట్ 10తో మల్టిప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, వచ్చిన ప్రోడక్ట్, ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ని 2తోని డివిజన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, we finished the number 5. Here the next number is 25. See, observe here Nana, 25. And now see in your textbooks, to multiply a number by 25, multiply the number by 100. Here what we multiplied by 5 means, at first of all here we multiplied the number by 10. And here 25 ke dento multiply cheyalante 100. Okay, and divide it by 4. And here which number we divided here? 2. From coming to the 25, here we have to divide it by 4. Now see Nana, to multiply a number by 25, multiply the number by 100. First of all we have to multiply the number by 100 and divide it by 4. And again we have to divide that number by 4. Now see here the Nana, multiplication, multiply 863 into 25. 863 into 25. Now see here the solution. 863 into 25. First of all we have to multiply 863 which number? By 100. See here Nana, 863 into 100 again divided by which number Nana? 4. Divided by 4. Okay, divided by which number? 4. Now here first we have to count how many zeros are there. Here how many zeros are there? Only 2 zeros are there. First this number we have to write 863. After completing this number, at the right side we have to keep here 2 zeros are there. No, that zeros here we have to place 2 zeros. This solution finish. Got it? ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఎక్కడైనా 100తోని 1000తోని 10తోని 10,000తోని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయమంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ క్వశ్చన్ని ఫస్ట్ రాసేసి ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి కౌంట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ వేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. గాట్ ఇట్? ఓకే, నౌ సి డివైడెడ్ బై 4. అగైన్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ద డివిజన్. విచ్ నెంబర్? బై 4. 4 8 6 0 0. ఓకే నాన్న, క్వశ్చన్ ఐ am writing here నాన్న. 4 2s are 8. That one finish. And coming to the 6. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 6 plus 4 how much? 6 minus 4 2. And here we have to take down the number 23. Total what is this number? 23. Now see Nana, 4 5s are 20. Again 3 is there. Again one more number we have to take down. We have to take down. So total what is this number? 30. Here which number we get, Nana? 30. Here in 4 table 30 is there or not there? Not there, but 28 is there. So here 7s are 28. 30 minus 28 is equals to how much? 2. Again one more 0 is there. We have to take down that number also. Again we have to take down that number. Total how much? 20. Here 4 5s are 20. Now coming to the quotient. Nana, what is the quotient here? 21,575. See here. 21,575 is the answer. Hence 863 into 25 equals to 21,575 is the answer. Here next one. To multiply a number by 125, multiply the number by 1000 and divide it by 8. Here 125 కి మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే 1000 తోని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి అండ్ 8 తోని డివిజన్ చేయాలి. అదే 5 కనుకో 10 తోని మల్టిప్లై చేసి 2 తోని డివిజన్ చేసాం. ఫర్ 25 100 తోని మల్టిప్లై చేసి 4 తోని డివిజన్ చేసాం. హియర్ 125 కి 1000 తోని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసి 8 తోని డివిజన్ చేయాలి. గాట్ ఇట్ నానా? నౌ టర్న్ ద పేజ్. Find the product by using short methods. Short methods are there, no? Yes, that method we have to find out and find the product. Now see here the first one. 83 into 5. 83 into 5. Now see here the solution. 3 into 5. What is the statement here? First by 5. Multiply the number by 10 and divide the number by 2. No? Now see here 83 into 10. Again divided by 2. 83 into 5 means what of first 83 into 10 divided by 2. Here how many zeros are there, Nana? Only one zero is there. So 83, again we have to keep 1 0. So 830 divided by 2. 830 divided by 2. Here we have to do the division. Which table? 2 table. 830. Here 4s are 8. 3 is there. 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 how much? 1. Take down the number 0. 5s are 10. Here what is the quotient, children? 415 is the quotient. 415 is the product of the 83 into 5. Okay. ఏం చేసాము ఇక్కడ మనం 83ని ఫస్ట్ 10 తోనే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసాము. 10 తోని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసిన తర్వాత 2 తోని డివిజన్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ హెన్స్ 83 into 5 equals to 415. And now coming to the second sum. The second sum 96 into 25. చూడండి నాన్న, నేను అన్నీ చెప్పట్లేదు, ఒక్కటే చెప్తున్నా. బై 5 ఆల్రెడీ ఐ టోల్డ్ వన్ సమ్. బై 25 అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్ నాన్న. బై 25 means here we have to multiply that number into multiply the number by 100 and again divided that number by, very good, 4. 96 into 100 divided by that number which, Nana? 4 by 4. So here 96 is there, no? 96 first write here. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. In the right side we have to keep the 2 zeros divided by the number 4. Divided that number by 4. Got it, Nana? Okay. Now here 96,600 divided by 4. 2s are 8 and here 9 minus 8 is equals to 1 and here we have to take down the number 6. For 4s are 16. So here see children, here 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros ని లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయాయి. మనం మల్టిప్లై చేయడానికి లేదు, డివిజన్ చేయడానికి కూడా లేదు. సో ఈ 2 zeros ని ఏం చేయాలంటే కోషియంట్ ప్లేస్లో మనం ఆ 2 zeros ని ప్లేస్ చేయాలి. గట్ ఇట్? ఇక్కడ 2 zeros ని మనం తీసుకెళ్లి కోషియంట్ ప్లేస్లో రాయాలి. ఏ నెంబర్తోని మనం డివిజన్ చేయలేం కాబట్టి. గట్ ఇట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోషియంట్ హియర్? 2400 is equals to 2400. Hence 96 into 25 equals to 2400. Got it? And now coming to the third sum. After completing that 25, here 125 is there, no, that sum nana. 563 into 125. Here we have to multiply the number by 1000. At first of all 1000, no, see here 563 into 1000 divided by that which number, 8, divided by 8. Here what I told, first of all we have to write this number, no, write that number 563, and again how many zeros are there here? 3 zeros are there, no? Place that 3 zeros right side of the answer. Now divided by the number 8. Here we have to divide this number. What is this number? 5,63,000 divided by 8. See here 5,63,000 divided by which number, nana? 8. Now here 8 table 56 is there, nana. 5 is not there. Why? Because 8 is the big number and 5 is the small number. So that's why here we have to take the two numbers, 56. So 8 sevens are 56, and again here I am taking the number 3 as down. 3. Is this any possibilities are there? No. So here we have to take one more number to down. Kindaki inkoka number తీసుకోవాలంటే in the quotient place we have to place the 0 and we have to take here the 0. ఇక్కడ 0 ఉందని ఇక్కడ 0 పెట్టడం కాదు నాన్న. చూడండి 3 ఉంది ఇక్కడ. 3 అనేది 8 కన్నా చాలా చిన్నది కదా. సో చిన్నది కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే పక్కనున్న నెంబర్ని కిందకి డౌన్ చేసుకోవాలి. పక్కనున్న నెంబర్ని కిందకి డౌన్ చేసుకోవాలంటే కోషియంట్ ప్లేస్లో 0 పెట్టి మనం కిందకి డౌన్ చేయాలి. Got it? Now see here 7 3s are 24. So here write the 3 and write here 24. 30 minus 24 how much, nana? 60. So one more 0, sorry 6. One more 0 we have to take down. Total 60. Again 8 sevens are 56. 60 minus 56 on how much? 4. Again one more 0 is there, no? Again we have to take down that 0 also. In 8 table 40 is there, note there S. 5 is a 40. So the remainder is 0. What is the quotient here, nana? What is the quotient? Yes, 70,375. 70,375. Hence 563 into 125 is equals to 70,375. 70,375. Once see first one, by 5 తో means what we have to do? 5 తో చేయాలంటే 10 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి 2 తోని డివిజన్ చేయాలి. బై 25 అనుకోండి 100 తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసి 4 తోని డివిజన్ చేయాలి. బై 125 అయితే 1000 తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసి 8 తోని డివిజన్ చేయాలి. Got it? Okay children, must and should complete your classwork and homework. Send to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your all doubts. Okay nana? Thank you. But must and should write your classwork and homework. See you in the next class. God bless you children.